Hello, welcome to the Beckwiths. This is a Vanners Collaboration video in which a group of us have come together to share our views on a particular subject. This month's subject is do it yourself in the caravan. Now, don't do much do it yourself in the caravan, don't do any do it yourself in the caravan, but I had a thought, this is an imaginary do it yourself, and because we haven't got much time, we're going to have to do it very fast. So you're going to have to imagine with me very fast the imaginary do-it-yourself. So, well, go out and have a look at the caravan, and I shall do my describe my imaginary do-it-yourself to you. Please remember to watch the other videos in the collaboration by clicking on the link at the end or in the description below. Now you need your imagination, see? So first of all, what we're going to do, this is only an 8-minute video, so we've got to do this fast. First of all, we're going to get rid of the A-frame, right? Right. We're going to resite this locker somewhere else, I don't know where, probably a bit further along there. Yep, got that, good. We're going to resite this locker, maybe a bit more this way. Right, okay, yep. Remember, this is all imaginary, it's not going to happen because it costs too much money. So we'll do away with Motorhome because we won't need that. The wheel here, and obviously the wheel on the other side, we're going to move back to around about here. And then we'd have to patch this up a bit to make it like level all the way through, and because you'd have your wheel arch up there. We're then going to put another set of wheels here with another wheel arch, and these wheels will turn, and then we'd have to raise it up a bit as well, and we're going to put an underfloor engine in it. I did have this all planned that it was going to be really all in depth and everything, but then I realised it weren't going to work because I needed 3 hours to do it. So, because we're having an engine, we'd have to shorten these seats back to here, probably do away with them altogether, and make one seat across there, then a driver's seat and a passenger seat there, with a steering wheel there. Obviously we can pull the blinds down. We need windscreen wipers on the front, and then because we've lost the seating here, the beds here, which are a bit of a mess at the moment, would have to be made into seats come beds. So I want you keeping up with this. So, but this is all imaginary because it ain't going to happen. But if it did, then what we'd end up with after a lot of time is something that looks like this here, next picture. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little imaginary do-it-yourself video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't done already, if you could subscribe, that would be wonderful. And if you do subscribe, please hit the notification icon, that way you'll get notified when we put another video out. Oh, and while I'm saying all that, please remember to watch the other videos in this collaboration by tapping the link here or in the description below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.